Hey guys, it's Jenny from Cabbage Patch Rescue. I'm so excited! I have an unboxing and I want to share it with you because these are some pretty special babies that I think they're special. They're different today, so let's see what we can get into. I did cut them, but I did not open them, so I want you to see my real reaction. I did get these off of eBay. I did spend a little bit more than I normally would, but I'm finishing my collection, so let's see. I don't know which one this is. Oh, I kind of like it's in a bag. I truly don't know which one this is, so let's see. Oh, okay, I didn't order this, but a cute little hedgehog was included. That's nice. What? Okay. Okay, he's a fuzzy, and I have his brother in blonde, and I absolutely love him. I love putting my head like here. It really reminds me of my son when he was little. And he's got this beautiful head mold. I believe he's a head mold too. Yes. But I just love his coloring. He's got really lifelike coloring. Can you see? He's got this realistic feeling hair. And oh my gosh, like I just love him. I love his little preschool look and his primary colors. Oh, mine. I love him. This girl kind of stole my husband and I's heart. I've been looking at her online for a while. I really wanted a head mold 19, and we love to roller skate. And this girl she's just gonna bring joy to the Cabbage Patch nursery, okay? You'll see when you see her smile. And I'm also trying to lay off of the blondes because I'm a blonde, and evidently I have a lot of blonde Cabbage Patch dolls, so variety's key, you know? And my favorite dolls are cute but posable, and those two things don't always go together. Sometimes the posable ones have ugly heads. But they're so fun because they can do stuff like read books. Okay, her face is dirty, and that was why I waited a while. But look at her. Look at her. She's happy. She wants an ice cream or something. And she comes with her little roller skates. Like, she's ready to party. She's like, good morning. What are we doing today? So, okay. Well, I always give them a full cleanup. I'm going to wash them completely. I'm going to wash their clothes completely. Check back to my channel if you want to watch that process. It's Jenny at Cabbage Patch Rescue. Thanks for coming along. Please give me a like. If you have any information about either one of these babies or you have one, I'd love it if you left a comment. See you later. Bye-bye.